This is going to be day 35, road to becoming a full-time day trader. Sorry I look a bit cooked right now, I'm not too sure why. But yeah, no trade today, unfortunately. It's nearly an hour in. And I'm not going to lie, I did miss 2 opportunities I could have trade on one. So that's a bit disappointing. But I'll take you through it. I'll take you through why I haven't took a trade and what I thought of today. Originally, my bias was, but wait, what was it? Was it bullish? No, it was bullish. My bias was originally bullish. No, it was bearish. It was bullish as it looked like we were retracing down the 4 hour. However, I was open because like on the 1 hour broken structure to the downside. So I don't know if we want to go further down. I'm not too sure what's happening there. But so we go up. My brain just not working. This is London high here, as you can see, and on Nasdaq we got as market open, we went up, took it out. ES, however, we didn't. So I'm looking on ES now for bearish confirmation. If I do get some, then I'll be happy to take a shot. Right, so we had a little interruption. I feel like the last time I filmed the video was a while ago now. Well, I'm saying the last time, it was today, but it was just a while ago now. So I don't know where I got up to. Wow. Oh, right. So, yeah, okay, I think it was when NQ swept London high, but then this one, and then ES didn't. So now I'm looking for bearish confirmation. We inverse fair value gap. What is happening? Inverse a gap here. This gap here. So now, ooh, we're looking a bit more bearish. So now I'm waiting for like a retrace or something to happen. There's a gap here. This is how I mark it out. There's a small gap here. We tapped into it. It's now going on the 1 minute to look for a very structure to the downside. This is when I missed out. I could enter the trade on one. The 2 in the circle. I just decided to circle this, I remembered. But yeah, we got a break structure to the downside with this candle here. We broke this structure, broke this low here. I could have entered with stop loss like here or there, and I would have targeted whatever this line was. Where was it? I think it was on the 50. Yeah, this low here, because there wasn't many areas of liquidity to target. Well, yeah, so I would have targeted that one. However, I'm not sure if I just wasn't confident enough to enter, or I'm not sure, I just didn't enter. And then we had another opportunity here. We broke structure again to the downside. I could have stop loss up here. I could have targeted this area of liquidity here. Again, I think I just wasn't confident enough to enter the trade. I'm not too sure why. But it's okay. It's better than not. It's better than entering and not being confident. I feel like you need to be confident when you're entering a trade, and like, you know, not know why you're entering the trade, and like be confident, you know, in yourself and yeah, and the trade. So I didn't. So now I'm just waiting for any more confirmation. After that, well, we ended up sweeping that area of liquidity I was looking at earlier. I don't think we swept it on. Yeah, we didn't sweep it on Nasdaq though. So I'm probably going to low-key create an SMT here. No, did we sweep it on Nasdaq? Let me check. No, we didn't sweep it on Nasdaq. Pardon me. So I think we'll create like a little SMT here. So now I'm carrying on looking for any more confirmation to enter. We have this 15-minute gap here. We tap into the gap, and yeah, for a while it's going up. Tap it. We had this 5-minute gap here. It's just very similar to the 15-minute gap there. We tap into it, and then after we tap into it, I start to look for very structures to the downside, which we don't get any. We end up inversing the 15-minute gap on both indexes. So that's like, oh, it looks like we might be reversing and going back up, which I didn't like that. So I just wait a bit more to see if I get anything else to say we can go back down. I don't get anything else. So that was we were like an hour and a half in, an hour 45 in. So it's just getting very late, and it is what it is. We've ended the week green, up. However, I haven't bought a new account because I lost the account yesterday. So yeah, on Monday we were up 1,500 and then we lost 400. No trade Wednesday, no trade Thursday, we lost 600. So I'm like up like $500 on this week, but not on the front end because I bought it today and I didn't take a trade. So yeah, so next week I'm away. I would try if I can to possibly trade. I doubt it. But after that, I know I've said this so many times, after that I won't be going on any more trips for a while. So it'll just be consistent after that. But yeah, next week probably no trades, unfortunately, which is a bit annoying because I do want to trade. I need to be more consistent. This is what this is about, but oh well. So yeah, that's it really. Thank you for watching. This is day 35, I think it was. So yeah, I'll probably be back next Monday, not Monday coming up next Monday. So I'm not sure which. I think that's the 10th of August. I think so. So yeah, thanks for watching. Boom.